Hey guys, it's Shilpa here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then please make sure to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video I will be reviewing Wet n Wild concealer. Talking about the price, this concealer is priced at Rs 399 for 8.5 ml of product, and you can easily get this for 300 during sale on Nykaa or Amazon. In terms of shades, there are total 6 shades available on Nykaa in this concealer, and the thing which I didn't like is that there is only one shade for dusky and deeper skin tones. So I have the shade medium deep tan and the number is 844B, and I was actually confused between this one and medium tawny. I hope I'm saying it right, but I was confused between both the shades. So I went through online swatches and then I realized that medium tawny would be perfect for the people with wheatish skin tone and medium deep tan for the people who have deeper and dusky skin tone. Last, I decided to go for medium deep tan, and I think it's a perfect match. And to my surprise, this one is the darkest shade among all, which is weird. I think they should include more deeper and darker shades in their collection. Now let's talk about the coverage, whether this concealer is worth the hype or not. Well, for the coverage, a lot of people say that it's a full coverage concealer. I don't completely agree with that. It has a good amount of coverage as compared to other concealers which I have tried, but not full coverage. If I have to compare, then it definitely has a lot more coverage than Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Talking about the formula, it's quite thick and comfortable, and let me show you the formula and a quick swatch of this shade. So this is the shade medium deep tan. So you can see it's quite thick, it is not liquidy, and also it does not creases. It looks fresh for like 6 to 7 hours of wear. So now let's see how this concealer actually looks on skin. But before that, this is how the packaging looks. It comes in this rectangular tube which has black cap, and also the applicator is standard 2-foot applicator. It picks the right amount of product. You can see how my face looks right now. I do have some acne marks, dark circles and pigmentation. So first I'm gonna apply the concealer on one side of my face, that is under eye area and on my acne marks. And you can see I haven't applied a lot of product because I want to see the minimum and maximum coverage. I'll layer it up if I need to. Then for blending the concealer, I'm using flat fluffy brush. It's from Shein, and I'm gonna blend everything in. It's easy to blend this concealer, but you have to be really quick because it can settle on your skin because of its thick consistency. So I can still see the dark circles peeking through and also acne marks. So I went in with another layer, and this time to blend my under eye area I used my fingers, and finish was same with brush and fingers. So if you don't have any brush, you can use your fingers as well. That's how one side of my face looks as compared to the other. This side of my face is now very well concealed, and this concealer has very well concealed my acne marks and also concealed my dark circles to an extent. Now I'm gonna try spot concealing. I have this acne mark over here. I'm gonna put some concealer and then I'm going to blend with my finger, and you can see the pimple mark is gone and it looks very natural. My skin does not feel heavy. So again, I have few more acne marks on this side of my face. I'm gonna repeat the same step. So now you can see the difference before and after. I'll insert the screenshot somewhere on the screen. I'm gonna finish this side of my face really quickly and I'll be right back. Now summing up my whole review, did I like this concealer? Yes, definitely I liked it a lot. The coverage is buildable and this will give you even finish. And also talking about the price range, it's for $399, that is 400, as compared to the Maybelline Fit Me and Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This one is much more budget friendly option. It does not look ashy and the formula is thick, that's why it will give you more coverage than any other liquid concealer. Staying power is also pretty good for like 7 to 8 hours easily, and also it will not leave your skin dry or enhance your dry patches. Finish of this concealer is quite natural and comfortable. You can use this concealer for heavy makeup and light makeup as well. So in all, I quite like this one and I think it's my new favorite. So with that, we are done with the review and I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.